Hey guys, welcome. Alexis, Sophia Leather. All right, in order to measure for these gentleman suspenders you see here, get yourself a tape measure. And what you want to do is measure from the back left to the front right. And where you're measuring from is where you're comfortable, where your belt, where you're comfortable, where your pants sit, okay? And it's right where the clip is going to attach to the pant. All right, so let's go ahead and measure. I'm not a seamstress, so I measure terribly. Don't judge me. So back left. To the front right. And I'm a 45, okay? And that's what you're gonna put on the form, 45. Now a little bit about that number. What that means is the middle hole is gonna be 45, okay? However, I do make it where they adjust 5 inches shorter and 5 inches larger. So a 45 is gonna give you a range from 50 to 40 inches, which covers about 96% of gentlemen. So if you don't know, I would suggest putting 45. All right, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Thanks.